the USDT has now made it to my Intelligence Prime Capital account, and now I'm going to move it here from my wallet into the MT4 trading capital. To do that, we're just going to go to transaction, internal transfer, and I'm going to, I want to make sure that the deposit is checked, that it is going to the MT4 wallet and not out of the MT4 wallet. And now I just have to wait for the verification code. Okay, verification code. Okay, it's showing the wallet balance is empty, and it's showing the new balance in the MT4 trading capital.